Question 16. Plan A and Plan B are two monthly mobile phone plans. Here are the details of Plan A. The monthly charge is £20, they get 400 minutes of calls free, and each extra minute is worth 15 pence. The graph shows the cost for both plans. So if we look down at our graph now, we can see that Plan B is shown dotted, Plan A is shown in bold. Now, Plan A, we can see here that for Plan A, the monthly charge is £20, the 400 minutes of free calls, and each extra minute we're told is cost 15 pence. So Part A asks us, it says, Ben usually makes about 800 minutes of calls a month. Which plan should he choose? Give a reason for his choice. So if we look at Plan B, we can see that Plan B is £30 per month, monthly charge, and they get 600 minutes of free calls. Now, Ben makes about 800 minutes of calls a month. So if we look at our two plans for 800 minutes, so if we draw a line up at 800 minutes there, we can see quite clearly that Plan A will cost us £80 and that Plan B will cost us £90. So Plan A is £80 and Plan B is £90. So quite clearly, if Ben is going to use 800 minutes, he should choose Plan A because it is £10 cheaper. Part B. Sarah chooses Plan B. How much does she pay for each extra minute of calls? So if we look at Plan B for Sarah, if we look at, after she finishes her 3 minutes at 600 minutes, if we look at what she pays for the next 100 minutes, so if we come across there from 600 to 700 at the bottom, and then if we were to go up, if we were to draw a line up to see where our graph comes, it cuts our graph now. So if we take a line up from there and work out the change in the cost for 100 minutes, so we can see quite clearly that from 600 to 700 is 100 minutes, and the change in cost is from £30 up to £60. So that is an increase of £30. So we know that 100 minutes are equal to £30 on Plan B. So we got that 100 minutes on Plan B is going to cost Sarah £30. So 10 minutes will cost her £3 by dividing by 10. And similarly again, if we divide by 10 again, from 10 minutes down to 1 minute, if you divide by 10, from 100 down to 10, divide by 10. So 1 minute, we need to do the same to both sides. So 3 divided by 10 is going to move the decimal point from here to here. So 0.30 pounds. So 1 minute is 0.30 pounds. 1 minute is 30 pence. Sorry, I've made a bit of a mess there, so I'm quite clearly going to cross it out. I'm going to write it again as we would do in the exam, that 1 minute is equal to 30 pence.